Now guys, I am in my analytics to show you the proof. So here you can see my analytics, how much views I got in last 28 days. Now I will show you my January payment. Okay, so you can see this is my January earning, and this is the view that I got. Okay, if I go to February, so here you can see this is my views from some organic and mostly with my CPM work. I send unorganically this traffic to my channel. Okay, now here you can see the earnings that I earn, but it takes some time to earn. As I click there, and now here you can see in just this all earning is just 2 or 3 days. In just 2 or 3 days I earn most of my earnings. So this is the proof of CPM work, and my tricks are working. Okay, so if you want to learn how to do CPM work on YouTube, please contact me. I share my number in intro.